Hi, I'm Sylvie Hutchings. I'm a wife, I'm a mum to 3 young men, I'm a businesswoman in the natural beauty space, and I'm a 2-time cancer survivor from Sydney, Australia. I've been inspired to share cancer as an experience because it has greatly influenced my positive experience of life, family, and in building my natural beauty brand, Scout Organic Active Beauty. I believe it is good to sometimes just sit and listen to other people and talk about their own experiences and then reflecting positively and with gratitude on my own. This channel explores the world of wellness, skincare and beauty with someone who has had the privilege of many adventures in many walks of life. I speak to people every week to answer questions about using natural products, about feeling good and looking good. As I do this, I realise that simply talking and learning about health, relationships and beauty actually makes such a contribution to our happiness and well-being. What to expect on this channel? My perspective on living a full and happy family life. Cosmetics, skincare and nail products, some DIYs and some how-tos. Exploring all things beauty and wellness with tips I have learnt over the years, and also we'll be doing some reviews and trends. So please hit that subscribe button, join me, I promise you'll learn something new. So see you in the next video. Light and love.